Microsurfacing is an emulsion-based surface treatment that basically mimics a slurry seal, but it has a heavier aggregate, heavier asphalt content. It's a much stronger material. The original surface that was laid down was a chip seal, where you lay emulsion down, you spread rock over the top of the emulsion, and then roll it in to seed it into the aggregate. August 2nd, we did about 250,000 square feet of test strips that you can see here on the road where we're standing around, this microsurfacing. It was more to just to make sure that the application that we want to put down will correct the emulsion problem that we had before. So it's just a test to see how it's going to handle after it's fully cured, which we're about right now where we're at. We're going to run some equipment on it. We're going to mimic snow removal to make sure that's going to hold up to what we need in the winter months. We did 6th Street, 7th Street, a section of Elm Street, and a section of Oak Street. After the curing process, we're going to evaluate the surface treatment, see how it handles, see how it's holding up to traffic, the turning movements, as you can see in the intersection, how the traffic will make on the turning movements. We'll bring some heavy equipment, our snow removal equipment, run it on the roadway, see how that handles. Then we'll make another assessment of how we want to do, and do we want to do some more test strips. The plan is to see how this handles up the rest of this year through the winter. If this performs as we've had before, we've done the same type of treatment at South Lake Tahoe and down in the Placerville area, then next spring, next summer, we'll come back in and do all the streets. Right now, what we're seeing here, this costs about 26 cents a square foot. That's about a standard industry cost. It can vary anywhere from the lower end of, say, low 20s to the middle 30s and stuff. It just depends on your supplier. This project right here ran us about $63,000.